Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you the 7 different styles of eyeliner. So if you're ready, let's start with the video. And these 7 eyeliners are so versatile and you can pull it from one another. And let's start with the first look. So first look is very basic and simple. This is called tight line. So in this we have to just basically apply the pencil eyeliner underneath our upper lash line. This kind of gives you the illusion that you're having a lash band, and this is really good for day-to-day natural look, and this is so awesome and very easy as well. And now for the second eye makeup look, I am going to create a simple and basic eyeliner, and for that I am just going to stamp this eyeliner pen very close to my lash line and just dotting it up, and so that this will give you a smooth eyeliner. And after dotting it properly very close to your lash line, join the dots and make it more smooth and flawless. So now you can see that I am joining those spots, and you can see how smoothly it is turning out into a liner. And this is a simple liner and everyone knows about it. Now for the third liner look, I am going to create a wing. And I have told you guys in many of my videos how to create a wing. Just pull a small line from the end of your upper lash line and join that to the eyeliner which we have created previously. And in that way, our wing eyeliner is ready. So you can see how easy was that. Just you need to practice a couple of times and you will be good to go with this skill. And that's it. Our wing liner is completely done. Now for the fourth look, I am going to do cat eye, and for that we need to extend our inner corner. So I am going to apply the liner in the inner corner of my eye using that eyeliner pen. And cat eye basically means an extension or an illusion of your eyes which make it look like more cats. So yeah, by applying the inner eyeliner it is going to make that way. So you can see this is the fourth look. And for the next look, I am going to use kajal in my low waterline all over. And this is going to complete the fifth look, which is called Vinyl Eyes. And for the next look, I am just going to use kajal in my lower waterline. And with a flat definer brush, I am going to smudge that, and this is going to give your eye a kohl look, and this is called a kohl eyeliner, and this is basic and you do not have to be precise in it. Just apply and smudge it, and you can see how easy and beginner friendly that is. Just one swipe of kajal or eyeliner, smudge it, and you're done. And for the next eye makeup look, I have just applied eyeliner on my upper lash line. And the same way that we have done in our lower lash line with some brown eyeshadow, we are going to smudge this. This is going to give you an intense black smoky kohl eye look. And as I said in the earlier that you do not have to be really perfect on this. Just apply it and smudge it. And you are good to go with this look. And this is the completed look. And if you have liked my video, if you have enjoyed the content, so please subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends so that our family can grow fast, and I will be back with another helpful video. Bye guys. Thank you for coming to my channel.